this great institute, Sri Bhattacharya, Dr. Bhattacharya, and today's awardee. We are talking about the community, this community. For which there is only one community, that is women community. She is the Talasmi ji and Dr. Saikyam, former superintendent and principal of GMC, as well as former project director of Naipa Authority, other senior colleagues and dignitaries. Thank you very much for calling me to share the dais on this auspicious occasion. Before commencement, let me say many happy returns of the day for VKIC. Successfully completed 25 years, entering into the 26th year with a glorious journey, with a specific objectives, with a concrete deliverables, with unconditional support to the rural people, and with selfless service to the tribal community in particular. My appreciation to this management and VKIC, and I assure you that Naipa will be a part of the great initiatives of this great institute, now forever. People are talking this end of this initiative, VKIC, it shows about the culture. Many people, including the awardee, also speaks about the culture. Culture is not confined to any region, geographical specifications at all. Culture is only one culture, that is a universal culture. If you see the culture of this country, I think this is only the country where you have got 5,600 tribes, different varieties of the population from geographical point of view. Different languages, more than 18 languages. Bhinnatvam ekatvam, that means unity in diversity. This is only the country where you wanted to talk culture means this is only the country where we can talk boldly, so confidently, so very perfectly. So very nice to see that the suffix of the particular institute is the VKIC culture, where that culture is to be inculcated into the kid, that kitty actually from that time on, what is our culture. Whether it is an Adami culture, not forget about it. Culture is culture. That should not be lost wherever you go. That is the duty of the parents to teach about the culture and all, because otherwise people see in different languages Mataji. So we forgot about the Mataji language in the local languages. Everything is mummy daddy. I don't know what is mummy daddy. If Amma in South India, we call it Amma means mummy. Amma means it will come from this particular depth of the heart, and below the heart it will come from here. Mummy will come only from lips. That is the lovely nature of the culture of this country. You have to say Papa, Nana, or Appa. We have got the culture 6 like this. Daddy should be called. I am sorry to say that because I want to tell you that Appa means father, Nana means father. Those things should be taught right from the beginning. Later, the second part of the culture is the subjects. The subject is what Ramanujam said, famous mathematician. Fundamental subject should be taught in the regional language. Forget about the English medium. English medium, you think about only the 12th medium onwards, the 12th standard onwards. Medium is not an important factor. The people who got the Nobel Prize, they are not from the English medium. Ramanujam learned the mathematics up to 12th standard only in Tamil. Yellapurkar Subbarao, who discovered that this antibiotics from the West Godavari, is only, no one knows about him actually. Today you are taking the antibiotics only because of the Yellapurkar Subbarao, the man who invented the antibiotics. Because it is a culture brought that particular talent and output to the nation what we are enjoying. Because that is the beauty of the culture. Again, the great person, the Vivekananda, we have to learn everything. He showed that ideology, if you see, and she also said that she is giving the importance, the training to the youth. When he went, his first ideology is youth should be strengthened. Strengthened in the two ways. One is the physical strength, second one is the mental strength. For that one's fitness is important. That's the culture of India. He spoke to the before US audience when he went there to talk about different things. Everyone is listening what he is going to address. Dear brothers and sisters of US, it it touched the heart of the people of the Western country because of the culture of India by the great person of Vivekananda. So why I am telling you repeatedly culture means only 5-6 letters you are in a. If you see the each and every letter carries the millions of years of the culture of this country. So that is the one where you have to learn all those things. Energy. Energy in the sense not only fitness, it's called well-being. Well-being in the sense once you are very perfect in all the aspects, then only you can do the service very perfectly. Input-output ratio should be balanced. What is well-being? Physical well-being, again will become the self-fitness. Mental well-being, again he said what is the mental energy. Emotional well-being, we should be control the emotion and run the show. If your emotion is highly peaked and down and all, you are going to spoil the society. Emotional well-being, not final, spiritual well-being. You may be any religion, any community, you have your own system of that spirituality. Maintain that spirituality, otherwise you are not a perfect person. Whether you qualities what you are seeing that yoga, one of the training program I have seen in the last 1 year activities, yoga, that will give your endocrine system so perfect. Once your endocrine system is perfect, you will deliver your objectives very perfectly. So yoga, that is our culture. And second thing is spiritual well-being, I told you. Financial well-being, that is important. How much money I am getting, how much I am supposed to save. Genuinely. This is also culture. Genuinely, my father used to tell me, if any money comes other than your hard work money, 1 rupee if it comes and joins in your pocket, keep 2 rupees in your room or in your house for spending towards the health of yourself or your wife or your especially kids. That's why genuine earning is very, very important. That is also our culture. Niti Nichayati. That means what you call perfection and integrity. If there is no, finally I am telling you, please all of you should learn, teach to your kids integral well-being. If you have all those things without integrity, all are zero only. So integrity is very important. That will speak your, if you have perfect in your this one, you can open the 2 buttons and go to the Prime Minister of India because let them go to anywhere, I am perfect. It's not our confidence, only confidence. This is another very, very important thing. And now you are talking about the tradition. When anyone wanted to talk about the tradition, we are supposed to talk in the Northeast. Northeast tradition is really wonderful because what the traditional sense, what they follow. For example, I think you may be aware, Nav Kishore from Manipur, recipient of the Padma Shri for the removing the, I think, this much stones, kidney stones through natural products. He was awarded by R. Venkataraman, former President of India. He was recipient of Padma Shri. Why? It is a traditional practice what he practiced, and many of the kidney stone sufferers are got relieved and getting relieved. His son is practicing. That is the traditional culture of that particular practice. We have to maintain that. Hereditary. When Naipur came to the system, when I joined here after completion of the 33 years of successful journey in the IICT, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, CSIR. I joined here as a director and then founder director. I started thinking, because I am almost like an Assami, because I was working here for the past 25 years. I am the coordinator of CSIR Northeast side. Out of 3 books I have written, 2 books are belonging to the appropriate technologies for Northeast India. Can you believe when a person from the surrounding from Assam, Meghalaya, is treating skin cancer from the plant product? But unfortunately, it is a family business. They are not doing business, it is a service they are. But there is no data for the preclinical to support the product to see the light of the day. I have some products from the Nagaland. They don't have any kind of a preclinical data, including Government College of Ayurveda, Assam. With Professor Vishnu Prasad Sharma, they came and knocked on the door of Naipur Gauhati. Because this is only the first Naipur established in National Pharma Institute in 2008. Our duty is not only to impart the education, not only to give the PhD degrees and all. Let us see what is the local needs and necessities, how best this national institute can serve the purpose of the locals first, in particular, rather than to the nation in general. When I have gone to all those things with a lot of interest, A lot of things are there in the Assam and Meghalaya. Arunachal Pradesh, there is a beautiful compound we got it for the anti-malaria activity. That is from a plant source. Malaria means here in the Assam, in the entire northeast, there are only cerebral malaria, which cannot be responded by any kind of available drugs. That's why it requires natural product is very important. If one drug comes from any kind of a traditional, I have 75 traditional healers after screening in my bank, neighbor bank. They are coming and they are going to be entrepreneurs very soon on the BioNest. What he said about the BioNest is nothing but an incubation center awarded by Department of Biotechnology to the Naipur Gauhati. We will not take even one rupee, but we will help them to get the loan from the SBI. There is a provision for them. They don't know, poor people, they don't know. We have to help them to get the loan and let them come to the Naipur Gauhati Amala and take the electricity free, space free for some time. Anything free is not having any value in India. Some even at least 10 rupees means it is, even if you gold also, if you give free, it doesn't have any value. That is the nature, that of course that is a part of culture also. That is our culture. So we are just making them so self-sufficient, may not be today, may not be tomorrow. After at least few months and on, they will see the light of the day. Whatever the loss is there, it is not loss, it is a service incurred by them, and it is going to be help for the future generations in terms of entrepreneurship to the particular person, in terms of help to the locals of this particular great region of Northeast. That is the beauty of the culture converted into the entrepreneur converted into the self-sufficiency. Everyone is talking about the self-resilience, self-sufficiency. This is one of the best model for the self-sufficiency. So this is up to we people, how IIT can help, how Naipur can help. But only thing is we are excellent in working, very poor in networking. I don't want to share my data. Am I going to get any Nobel Prize? Certainly not. But I am successfully killing my output not by sharing to others. This is not our culture. Because if it is like that, Sushruta, even now we are talking about Sushruta, Nagarjuna and Siddha, all those things, why? Because their culture is whatever they got, output they have shared. It is there in the documentation. Of course, some of the traditional healers, forefathers' documentation is there written in the papers, they are getting spoiled. I brought it to the notice of MIT, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Now they have given me a project to digitize it and then I will give it to them so that it will be preserved for generations and generations. I think how many people knows about the Annamaya who wrote 32,000 Kirtanas on Balaji. And he has written on the copper strips with some pen and all. Now that is also getting rusted and all. Then MIT has gone there and they have digitized everything. 32,000 Kirtanas on Balaji is still preserved in the TTV, openly available to the public domain. This is my dream to preserve the traditional knowledge of these traditional healers. I am a member, I am a chairman in the NCSM, National Council of Science. I think Dr. Mandal has come here.
Yes. Yes, sir. I am here.
You are here, very good. They are also integral part of the National Council of Science Museum is there. I think you can see the Kanapara Science Museum is there. Wonderfully doing that one to make the science alive. Otherwise, boneless education, shedless colleges make all the youth to become the engineers and doctors. No need, there is no quality. When there is no quality, Mokshaguna Vishwesvaraya, famous engineer, is not from any kind of a corporate college and corporate sectors. He is from the government school where there is no proper facility. But whereas we are even remembering the Mokshaguna Vishwesvaraya Institute of Technology on his name because of his output and all. That is the quality and the culture. He speaks Karnataka Kannada only wherever he goes there. That means the what we call the beauty of the local culture, beauty of the local things. NCSM has come forward. Naipur and NCSM is doing a digitization to preserve this particular traditional knowledge of the traditional healers in a most sophisticated way. I think by next year we can submit the document. I will bring that DG, NCSM and our Dr. Mandal on this dais. We will hand over it so that it's a conversion of languages also. You need not learn the English or the conversion will be there. If it is English, in Assami or Naga, what is this? So that even people who are not illiterate, who can read the text also can see that one. In that way, we should give something to the society. When we are taking something from the government, we should give back something to the society. That is only culture. So, by one more thing I want to share, especially for the tribal youth. Naipaul Gowri has got one center award in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, the Government of India, who our interest is only to protect the health of the tribal women and empower the tribal youth in various aspects. And most importantly, last but not least, be positive with the culture, be positive with the institution, be negative with the infection. Always be negative with the infection. Be positive with the institution, be positive with the infection. With these few words, once again, thanks to the management for giving this wonderful opportunity on the auspicious occasion to share some of the experiences of my mind as well as my leadership tutor. Jai Hind. 1 minute. Jai Hind is also culture of India. It is not pertaining to Jai Hind means Hindu ko Jai, Baki ko nahi. Jai Hind is a culture of India. That is why he concluded Vivekananda in his address in the US with the conclusion of the Jai Hind. I am also following his footsteps by saying Jai Hind. Namaskar.
Jai Hind.